B. Reading comprehension, 8 marks. 2. Read the following passage and then answer the questions below. The inventors of the first aircraft were not scientists. They did not even finish high school. They were just ordinary brothers with a big dream, a dream of flying. Wilbur and Orville Wright grew up in Indiana in a large family. Their father, Milton Wright, was a religious man. Neither child finished high school. Instead of sitting in class and reading, they wanted to work and make things. When they were 18 and 22, they started up their own printing press and bicycle shop. One day, Wilbur read an interesting story in the newspaper about a man trying to fly in a glider. The man died, but the story gave Wilbur an idea. He decided to teach himself about flying in order to make the perfect glider. Together, Orville and Wilbur successfully tested their new glider on the beach. Then, they decided to make it into a flying machine. They put an engine and propeller on the glider and called their new machine the Wright Flyer. It broke down in its first test, but the young men didn't give up. With a little more hard work, the Wright Flyer made a successful flight. On December 17, 1903, the Wright brothers made history by flying the Wright Flyer over the beach at Kitty Hawk, North Carolina. It was then that the first airplane was born. Choose the correct answer from A, B, C, or D, 16. The brothers learn about planes through A. Learning at school, B. Their father's teaching, C. Working in a glider shop, D. Self-learning, 17. The invention of the first airplane was in A. India in the 21st century, B. North Carolina in the early 20th century, C. Germany in the last decade, D. America in the last century. 18. If the Wilbur brothers hadn't invented the first airplane, A. People wouldn't have flown anywhere. B. America would have been more developed. C. Flying would have been possible. D. The world would have been one village. 19. The Wright brothers succeeded in building the first plane because they A. Quickly gave up. B. Were good students. C. Never gave up. D. Spent a lot of money. The central idea of the passage is two brothers' dream. B. Gliders versus planes. C. The first glider. D. American invention. 21. The Wright Flyer was different from a glider as it A. failed its first test, B. could fly for longer hours, C. had an engine and propeller, D. had a printing press. 22. The moral lesson of this story is that A. Dreams can make you rich. B. If you don't succeed, keep trying. C. The airplane is important. D. Flying is too difficult for ordinary people. 23. The underlined pronoun it refers to A. the glider, B. the airplane, C. the bicycle shop, D. the beach.